Sigun.
Ke jingsarong ya ke jelang baro kawai makaladon arteli ki hotel 5 star kata kintop ya ke Vivanta Taj Hotel bat ke courtyard by JW Marriott kabadan Shillong. Ya kini ke hotel pli pa ba da menteri rang ba jong ke jelang konrad kongkel sangma ha ke khat sau tri ko banai kela lengkot arajar arpulai. Menteri rang ba uloong bakani kalong umau jam ubak khrau ya ke jelang ka bah ka jingdap san postnam ka jingyo jelang bapura kalala ban pli yigi di hotel ka ban kinteo susu yang ka kam jengok kai perthei ka ban pli lat yaki ban pulut por ya ka jing internet ka mariang ka jela badru ban syong ban sa ha gini ki yeng basa.
Basically, the project is now complete and formalities are left that have to be completed with the Marriott Group. This project has been promoted by Maxim Infrastructure, and I would like to congratulate the entire team of Maxim Infrastructure for completing this project. It was a very challenging project, but I'm very happy with the kind of work that's been done and the overall quality that has been maintained. And this will definitely raise the standards of the entire tourism sector in the entire state and the entire region, as this is the biggest hotel in terms of the number of rooms in the entire northeast region. So it's a big milestone that has been achieved, and I congratulate the team once again, and we expect that this particular project should be functional within the next few weeks time. We expect that the Marriott team will take over, and once again I congratulate all that have been involved in making this project a possibility. Thank you very much.